You can't complete your project without crucial low-volume die-cast parts, but you're having trouble finding the right supplier. Small suppliers can't ensure quality, and big suppliers aren't interested in low-volume die-casting projects like yours. You need Sunrise Metal, where our mission is satisfying the demand of your high-mix, low-volume die-casting project. At Sunrise, we have extensive experience in one-stop die-casting solutions, and we utilize fast switch technology for die-casting, machining, and coating production. We also possess professional facilities and equipment, superior engineering capability, strict quality control, and a strong command of English, which enables us to provide excellent service and high-quality parts. We're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible when it comes to developing our high-mix, low-volume, one-stop die-casting solutions so that we can deliver quality parts on time when other suppliers can't. Contact us today